Good morning everyone, this is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment. In today's segment, we will discuss some questions related to chemical reaction student. And in this, you will also try to know that how do the metal and non-metals react with each other. Like the first question that is given in your NCERT related to chemistry or the chemical reaction, it is what would happen or what will happen when dilute sulfuric acid is poured on copper plate. Now these all words are new for you student. Like the sulfuric acid. Now what is sulfuric acid? It is a strong acid student that does not have any color. It is similar to water. And it is generally filled in the battery to maintain the charges. Means which acid is found inside the batteries. So what will you write in this? Sulfuric acid. Now this sulfuric acid is the strong acid. It is strong acid. It is not weak acid. Like hydrochloric acid can be considered as weak acid if it is dilute. But it is strong, very strong. And it may burn our skin. That's why all the experiments that we do in the laboratory, we should do those all experiments carefully students. Like the dilute sulfuric acid, what we do when we put it on the copper plate, means when dilute sulfuric acid is put on the copper plate, then what would happen or what will happen? This is the question. Now first you write the chemical reaction of this, like the dilute sulfuric acid. So you write here H2SO4, or you can write this word sulfuric acid here. On the copper plate, copper, what is the symbol of copper? Cu. Now what would happen in this? This copper will displace the hydrogen. Now due to the displacement, what will be formed here? Copper sulfate will be formed, and with this hydrogen gas is released. So this chemical reaction will take place when we put the sulfuric acid on the copper plate. Now due to this chemical reaction, what will be happen? That copper plate will be corroded. Means the first layer or the second layer is exposed by one due to the production of copper sulfate student. And the reaction that is taking place here, it is displacement reaction, because the copper is more reactive than hydrogen. Due to that, copper sulfate will be formed and the hydrogen gas is released. Now, how do we know the presence of hydrogen gas? If we put the burning matchstick near that test tube where this reaction is taking place, or near the plate where this reaction is taking place, then that burning matchstick will burn with pop sound. So with the help of the pop sound of the burning matchstick, we can know the presence of hydrogen gas. Now we come on the next question. In this student, iron nails are placed in copper sulfate solution. Now what is copper sulfate solution student? Copper sulfate solution is a solution that have the blue color. Royal blue color student, royal blue we can say. When we put the iron nail in that solution, then what happens? That iron nails react with the copper sulfate. And in that reaction, the copper is displaced, due to which the color of copper sulfate is changed, and it is changed from blue to green pale, and there is one brownish substance is settled down at the bottom, and that brownish substance indicates the copper. So this reaction takes place. So this reaction you can also represent in the form of chemical equation. Now in this what happens student, like if we take the copper sulfate, it is copper sulfate. If in the copper sulfate solution we add the iron, what is the symbol of iron? It is Fe. Now what will be happen in this? This iron will displace the copper, and the solution that we will get, it is iron sulfate. Iron sulfate solution we will get, and the copper will be displaced here. Copper will be displaced, or it will be settled down at the bottom of the pot in the form of brownish substance. So, and this reaction is known as displacement reaction. Now, what is displacement reaction? This we have discussed. What is the displacement reaction, student? Displacement reaction is the reaction in which more reactive element displaces the less reactive elements from its salt to form a new salt or form a new chemical compound, is known as displacement reaction. Now we come on the next. This question is also given in your book, student. After burning charcoal, what will happen after burning charcoal? How do we know? How do we know the nature of gas? How do we know the nature of gas? Now there are the three types of nature, student. Acidic nature, basic nature, and neutral nature, neither acidic nor basic. Now in this, what is charcoal, student? It is the pure form of carbon. When it burns in the presence of oxygen, in the presence of oxygen, then what it forms? It forms carbon dioxide with heat energy. Heat energy is also released in this. Now, how do we know this gas is evolving? This gas evolution we can also know with the help of burning matchstick or burning candle. If we put the burning candle or burning matchstick near to that test tube from where the evolution of carbon dioxide is taking place, then that burning matchstick or burning candle will put out, means it will stop the burning due to this carbon dioxide. So in this way we will know that here the carbon dioxide gas is evolving. With this, how do we know the presence of this? If we react this gas then with water, then it forms the carbonic acid. Means if we react this carbon dioxide with water, then it will form H2CO3, means carbonic acid. It is carbonic acid, student. Now, how do we know the nature of this gas? By dipping the litmus paper. By dipping the litmus paper, in which the blue litmus paper will be turned into red color. Means blue litmus paper color will be changed from blue to red. And in this way, we will know the nature of this gas. And the nature of this gas is acidic. So what will you write in the answer of this question? You will write the gas that will be evolved during the burning of the charcoal is carbon dioxide and its nature is acidic, student. So in this way, with the help of the chemical reactions, you will tell the answer of these questions. So thank you very much and have a pleasant day.